Are you just tired of trying to manifest and it never seems to happen? You have tried all different practices, you have enrolled in various lessons, various courses, various trainings, and nothing seems to really click, nothing seems to really work to make that manifestation happen. Are you just tired? Before you give up, before you throw in the towel, let me ask you one question. What thoughts are you carrying about your manifestation? What thoughts do you have about your manifestation? In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the power of our thoughts towards our manifestation. Hi, my name is Taffy. This channel is dedicated to helping as many people learn about manifestation, learn about manifesting the lives that they absolutely love with ease, and sharing positivity throughout the whole world. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also to click the thumbs up to like the video if you get anything, if it helps you in any way. For a long time, I was trying to manifest abundance in finances. I was trying to leave the job that I was working. I had been made redundant and I was panicking how I was going to feed, how I was going to look after my family. For a long time, I was trying to look for ways to replace my income. I tried to manifest money. I tried to manifest finances in various ways. I enrolled in many courses on law of attraction, in abundance. I tried many things and nothing seemed to work for me. And the harder I tried, it seemed the worse off my finances became. And I just couldn't figure out what I was doing, what I was doing wrong, what was causing this to happen to me. At one point, I thought maybe I'm the unluckiest person in the world. I got promoted. 3 weeks later, I got made redundant. I was just like, it could just happen to me. It never happens to anyone else. I was really, really pushed in the corner. I was really, really struggling financially, but I couldn't figure out why. And I enrolled in many courses in manifesting, in laws of attraction. I even watched the movie, The Secret. And I got that. I got it that, it's what we think of, that's what we manifest. And I was thinking of, trying to manifest money. That's what I was thinking of. I wanted more money. I wanted to manifest more abundance in my life. I wanted to be able to look after my family. I wanted to be able to give them the life that I wanted them to have, a good life, a luxurious life, a life, we as parents always wish for our children to have, a life of abundance, a life of peace, a life of, gratitude, of progress. I wanted to give them that life, but I just couldn't manifest it for some reason. Then it occurred to me one day when I was meditating and reflecting, everything starts from thoughts. Everything, that's where it originates, our thoughts. So I started looking at my thoughts. I started, reviewing my thoughts, being aware of the things that I was thinking. Then the penny dropped. I realized what I was doing wrong. I realized exactly why I wasn't manifesting. And it could be something that you too are doing. And I'm glad you are here, you are watching this video. And the thing I was doing wrong was, and is, I was thinking of manifesting money. But deep down within me, I was carrying thoughts that were opposing what I wanted to manifest. Let me repeat that. I wanted to manifest money, but within me, I had thoughts like, I always have lack of money. The money is not always enough. I was having thoughts like, money happens to other people, it doesn't happen to me. I was having thoughts like, I'm probably the unluckiest person. I was carrying those thoughts around. Even though on one end I was trying to manifest money, on the other end, the majority of the day, I was carrying these thoughts that I'm the unluckiest person, that, things couldn't happen to anyone else except me. I was carrying these thoughts that, whatever money I was getting is never enough. I'm never good enough to earn enough money, to earn a lot of money, the money that I was trying to manifest. Those were the thoughts that I was carrying. And the moment I realized that we manifest when we are in harmony with our vision, with our dream. We manifest when there is alignment. And when there is conflict within ourselves, it blocks our manifestation. That's what was happening to me. Even though I wanted to manifest money, the thoughts I was carrying were blocking the money that I was manifesting. Because I was thinking I'm the unluckiest person. I was thinking, that whatever money was coming to me wasn't enough. And those thoughts were putting me in a certain vibration, in a negative vibration, which I was carrying out throughout the day. I didn't realize that I was carrying this energy, this negative energy that was opposing my manifestation. I was looking at everything as if it was working against me. Therefore, I was carrying that negative energy through my thoughts. And I was constantly manifesting that negative energy because that's what I was carrying. That's the negative energy that I was in. That's who I was. We don't manifest what we want. We manifest what we are. We manifest who we are. The energy that we are in, that's what we manifest. So I was carrying these thoughts and I didn't even realize it. What thoughts are you carrying about your manifestation? The thing that you want to manifest, the dream life that you want to manifest, what thoughts are you carrying about those? Deep within you, what thoughts are you carrying? Are they thoughts that are aligned to the vision? Or are they thoughts of defeat? Are they thoughts that are attracting a negative energy to the energy that you want to manifest? What thoughts are you carrying about your manifestation? If you are trying to manifest health, what thoughts are you carrying about health? Are you carrying the thoughts that, I will never recover? Are you carrying the thoughts that I'm getting worse? It's more painful. I'm getting more uncomfortable. Are those the thoughts that you are carrying throughout the day? If those are the thoughts that you are carrying, those thoughts are not matching or do not match the thoughts of abundance, the thoughts of health, abundant in health. They contradict. There is a conflict in the thoughts that you are carrying and the thoughts that you want to manifest. So you need to get into alignment. What thoughts are you carrying about relationship? If you are trying to manifest a relationship, what thoughts are you carrying about that vision, about that dream, about that manifestation that you want to manifest? Are you thinking I always attract the wrong people? Are you thinking that I'm not good enough or I'm not good looking enough? Are you thinking there is something wrong with me, that I always end up in the wrong relationships? If you are carrying those thoughts, they are contradicting. They contradict thoughts of manifestation of healthy relationships. Because what you want is healthy, good relationship, loving relationships. But if you are carrying these thoughts around that are not serving your dream, then there is contradiction. You will not manifest your dream. You will not manifest your relationship. Same as vacation, same as career. What thoughts are you carrying if you want to manifest a career? What thoughts are you carrying about that career? Are you thinking you are not qualified enough? You are not experienced enough? Are you thinking, things are working against you? Are you thinking bad things are happening to you for one reason or the other? Are those the thoughts that you are carrying? If those are the thoughts that you are carrying, they contradict the manifestation. They contradict the manifestation. They contradict the dream. So it will be difficult or actually impossible for you to manifest your dream while you are still carrying these thoughts. The good news is we can change the thoughts that we think about. We can change that. We can change the thoughts that we carry by changing the routine that we have during the day. We start by visualizing the dream, the vision, where we want to go. That's how we start. You visualize the relationship that you want. You visualize the money, the time freedom that you want. You visualize the health that you want to attract. You visualize the relationships that you want to attract. When you wake up, that's what you start. You visualize it. Then, how you carry on in that vibration, you carry on by asking yourself continuously throughout the day, what am I doing to get me closer to that dream, to get me closer? What am I doing in today? Today, what am I doing to get me closer? And if you keep asking that question in your day, and you also keep being appreciative of the things that are happening, noticing the good that is happening and appreciating it, you start to see things changing. Your focus will stop from being focused on the things that are not working, and you start focusing more on your dream. And when you start focusing more on your dream, you start feeding energy to that dream, and you start attracting that dream, and you manifest your dream. What thoughts are you carrying about your vision? What thoughts are you carrying throughout the dream, throughout the day about your manifestation? We are the creators of our own lives. We are the ones that design our lives, that design our manifestation. And it starts by being aware of what we pay attention to, by being aware of the thoughts that we are carrying. Because from those things, that's where the contradiction or the alignment with our vision comes in. I hope this video was helpful to you, and don't give up. Not yet. Don't give up. Don't give up on that dream. Don't give up on your manifestation. Work on the thoughts. Work on awareness. Work on thinking and getting into the habit of thinking and coming from your vision, coming from your dream. If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to the channel so we can go and grow together in this journey. If you have learned anything from this video, please don't forget to click the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy manifesting.